Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about how to create magazine advertise. First of all, open InDesign software. Here we using trial version, so click on continue trial. Then after select document. Here select intent as a print and number of pages 1 and facing unchecked and page size letter and orientation portrait. Then width set as 8.5 inch and weight as 11 inch. Click on picture frame tool. First of all, select domain. Then after create a picture frame box. Click on the file menu. Then click on place and select any image. Then right click on image. Then select fitting the choose fill frame proportionally. If your image is not clear, then right click on image and click on display performance and then click on high quality display. Use the direct selection tool to move image over. Select the text tool and make a text box. Then write a text. Highlight this font and increase size. This is what you add with text should look like. Select View Document in Preview mode. Then after, click on File menu. Then select Export. Then give a name of file. Magazine.pdf. Then save as type Adobe PDF print. Then press save. Then click on export. This is your PDF. Whatever is on this page will actually print. Thank you.